Good day, guys. Being here. Today we're going to try to fix this issue. Okay, so we previously we did a quite interesting exercise. So we used, I think we used adaptive family to create this, and then try to place a railing, on top of this. So, but we have some issue here. So as you can see here, so the railing it rotates. Okay, so when it starts, it's okay, and when it goes up, it just rotates. So we're going to try to see if we can, fix this problem. Okay, so let's so first let's open this file. So 24053. So if you want to find this one, so you probably can just search this number in my channel, so you should be able to find it. Okay, so it looks like we have some issue here. Okay, so I think that's let's try see if we can fix it. So see, we have two repeater. Okay, so let's just remove repeater, and then I'll just delete these. Okay, and then only these two. I'll select both and click on repeat. So yep, I think this is fine. Maybe tab, select, delete. So now we have this. Okay, so so previously, so I think there's already family loaded in. So let's go create component. Yeah, so we created this one. So it's adaptive family with multiple adaptive points. So what we did is we just place onto the top of these model lines. Okay, so let's just quickly place this one. Okay. Oh, how many more? Looks like there are a lot of adaptive points, more than 10. Okay, so that's it. So now, yeah, so just roughly. Okay, so so this is a railing, but because we have a circular right profile, so it's okay. So because you can't really tell, if it's rotated or not. But once so let's go edit family. So if we change the profile, so I'll just delete this railing, and then I'll just delete the dimension, delete this circle. So there are a point. So this one. So this is a place. Oh, sorry, a point placed onto this reference line using draw on face. Okay, so draw on face. Okay, and then we'll place a profile onto this. So now I'm going to just change this one from a circle into. So let's just use reference rectangle, draw on world plan, set world plan, pick this, and then I'll just draw something. I'll just yeah, don't worry too much about that. So I just that's too small. I'll make it maybe 40 by 40. Okay, so 40 by 40, and then I'll just move it maybe where's the midpoint here. I try to, looks like we have some issue. Pick a place onto that. Now just roughly, okay, so I'll just roughly place maybe centered roughly centered. I think that's fine. And then go to the other side. We're going to just delete this dimension, delete this profile, so we still have this point, right? Point. Maybe we don't need it anymore, so just delete it, because we can copy this one. So CC, right? Select this point and place on use pick pick new host. Okay, so now we have two profiles. Select them, and also control select this path and create a form, and then we can just drag this to this end, drag the other one, or maybe just type in 1 and we'll go to the other side. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's load this one into in this project, overwrite, and now you will see it become a square shape, right? So now let's have a look. It's already rotated a little bit, but let's have a look. So if we go up all the way up, so now you can see it go to the side. It's like it's already 90 degree about here, and yeah, so that's not right. So, and also another thing about this is we just when we create this adaptive family, we just randomly place. So sometimes it will affect the the result. So I think maybe let's try. I'll just use hang on, that doesn't work. Let me think what's the easiest way, because so many points, and it will take like forever to try to align them. So maybe it's easier just to do another one, but I think I will, because we already have that, right? The points with a profile here, right? So I'll just copy this one to here. So we have two copy, and then the rest I'll just delete all these adaptive points. So maybe, and then we just need, so for example, I'll just place one, use draw on world plan, maybe just sit onto a level, just set onto reference level. I'll just place it here, and now I'll just go to just top view and copy this one. Okay, so just maybe just make it doesn't really matter. I think as long as they are aligned. But for now, I'll just how many points do we have? Like 10 or 11, 10, 5, 11. Yeah, that should be enough. Maybe I'll just move it to the center. Doesn't really matter. So now make adaptive points, create spline through points, make it reference line. Then we have those profile with points. I just select this point and pick new host, place onto here, and then select the point, and then use pick new host onto this reference line. So I just want to see if this will affect the rotation of that. Okay, so select these two profiles, and then also select the path, create a form, do the same, select this one, go to 0, and then select this point. Oh, not the reference line, only the points, type in 1. So now if I load this one into here, I don't think it will change. Oh, hang on, something's not right. Okay, I think Control Z. Interesting. It looks like because we delete those adaptive points and then create the adaptive points again, we won't be able to, update this one anymore. So it means we need to place this one again. See? That's fine. Let's just let's just quickly place this one again. So this time again, let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate a little bit. Oh, 6, 7, 8, rotate, 9, 10. Oh, looks like it's already see that little symbol, it means yeah, we might have issue creating this family, but looks like it's coming back. Yeah, all good. So yeah, that's all. Great. Okay, so now let's have a look. So yeah, so you can see it's the same. So at this point, it's already rotated. So it looks like yeah, I don't really know why, but so let's have a look. Rotate all the way up. Yeah, it's still rotating. So you can see it's a little bit hard to tell because it's when we start, it's already. So I think yeah. I think let's try this. I'll select IC and select these. See if we can change the orient to. So I'll just have a test. It might not work. So okay, so it looks like it rotates a little bit. So at least it's starting point, and this starting point looks like it's perfect. Right. So now let's have a look again. Go up, up, up. So see, it still rotates. Nah, I'll go to the side. So I think okay. So at least the starting point it's better because we don't need to adjust. So I think what we can do with this one, so let's type HR to bring this back. So what we can probably keep that one, keep the first profile. We don't need to touch it. But for the last one, for this one on the end, so let me just HH, just temporarily hide the sweep. And then try to pick the point, not this one. Maybe I'll just HH as well. So this point. So this point is the point we place onto this reference line using draw on face, which means there will be a rotation angle. So we can add a let's call it A, maybe instance parameter. Okay. So let's drag this to the end again. So now we can type in an angle so to rotate, and this might help because we can just manually change that the profile, this profile. So now let's load this one into the project. Okay, so it will be the same, right? So it won't change it because currently the rotation angle is still 0. So now let's try if I type in, for example, 90 degree. So we see it start to rotate, but it looks like the wrong direction. So let's try negative 90. Okay, so now go up. This is the top, still top. Okay, so it looks like it need to be rotated about slightly bigger than 90. So let's try negative 100. Oh no, maybe 80. Negative 80. Yep, I think that's better. Oh, is that right? No, it's not right. So it's actually go up. Oh, wrong. It's wrong. Sorry. Maybe it should be 90. Let's try. Go up. Still not right. I think. Yeah, so the rotation angle is a little bit weird. So sometimes when you put in a 90, like for example, so currently 89 degree looks fine, but once I type in a 90, it will go to the other direction. So it will change a lot. So, right, so 88, right? So a little bit, 89, I can't really see any difference, but once you change it to 90, it will change a lot. So it will go to a different sometimes it will go to a different direction. So let's try an angle, so not other than 90 degrees, so 89 I think. So this is the top, still top. Let's have a look. So 89, so let's try 80. Okay, so now we know 89, that's correct. Or let's try 91. Still right? But if I type 90, don't worry about that. So 93, 90, 100. Okay, so I think this one's quite good, right? So it's horizontal, maybe 105. Okay, a little bit too much, 102. Okay, so this is flat here. So now you can see that top surface, still top, all the way down to the start. So okay, so this is one of the methods we can do, right? So if there's no way, we can just make them like always vertical, always not rotating. So this is one option. So we can do just rotate one of the profile. So yeah, and I think other than this one, so we can also try different method. Okay, so for example, this one is adaptive family, right? So we place this point onto this. It's quite simple. We can also try different method. We can try model in place, and we can use the it's more like the blend method in generic model, but we instead of using generic model, we use mass, right? Which means we still need to create a path and two profile, because we for blend we need two profile and a path. Okay, so now let's try. Let me just maybe hide this one, HH. Okay, so to do that blend style, railing, let me it's a little bit hard to see. Maybe I'll just go yeah, that's okay, let me think, what should I do? This is RFA, it's a family. We can't do section boxing family, but that's fine. So we can just I'll just use this as a we only need to know the size of this one. So we do a reference, and we do a half circle. Looks like we need to set world plan first. So set world plan, pick the reference level 1, sorry. So first we need a half circle. So I'm going to use center ends arc. Center will be the center, of course, and ends will be I think I'll use this one. Okay, so go all the way to here. So I want this one to be not 180 degree, 180 degree. So let's rotate. You will see that reference lines. Where is it? Where's my reference line? Okay, so VV. So maybe it's hidden. Yeah. Okay, sorry. So previously we hid all the reference like reference plans and reference lines to sometimes I use this one to make a very clean screenshot. Okay, so now we have this reference line, right? Reference line, yeah, and then we just need to create the first profile. So for a profile, we know that we need a point and use draw on face onto this reference line, and then we use reference circle. Oh no, rectangle. Okay, draw on world plan, set world plan, pick this point. So I'm just going to just draw something like this, and then I'll change the size 40 by 40. Okay, so and also I'm just going to move this to be centered, and then I will roughly, so I think roughly 900 from the stairs, right? So in the stair, I think 170, so 170 plus 900, it will be 1 meter and 70. So I just move this up 1070. Okay, so this is roughly where this is. So if I move this one, it should roughly match. Oh, it's not. Doesn't matter. So you can always change that, right? So okay, so maybe hang on, let me just try again. So I'll move this point to here. What's the length of this point? Maybe to this. I'll just move this profile down to along with this step, and I'll just move this. Let me just go to the right hand side. Where's my profile? Here. All right, so select it. I'll just move this up to match the it's not, let me, oh, looks like 1 meter. That's fine. We can maybe just move it up by 1 meter. Okay, oh good. And then we just need to select this point together with the profile CC, and select the point and use pick new holes. So this time we're going to place this one on this end. Okay, so on this end, but we still need to move this up. So MV, this time I think I will probably this one, right? So first I want to which one? Roughly this one. So just need to remember that's that one. First I want to match that point, match that step height, and then I'll just move it up by 1 meter. Okay, so roughly, yes, roughly there. So then we can select this profile together, control select this and control select this. So this will create a blend. So this is a blend, or not blend, but similar to the blend in generic model. Okay, but this is in mass environment, so we just need to select a path to profile. Okay, we don't need to choose which one to use, but Revit understands what we want to do. So okay, so and you will see this is perfect. So you can see the direct it's the direct orientation of these profiles all the way up. And then yeah, so this is how we can do, and then you must say, oh, how about this? So we can't really, can we? No, we probably can't, because it will mess up all this. So it's okay, we can always mirror this one. So let's just I'll try DM with copy. I'll click on this one, and then oh, where is it? No, doesn't work. Maybe let's go to floor plan. So sometimes it's easier to do it in floor plan. So I'll type WF. Where's my reference line? So reference line is here. I'll use DM and then try to, yeah, so it works. So you can see we mirrored this reference line. So we have another one. So another half circle. So now what we can do is we can select this point, select this profile CC 1 2, this point, pick new holes, place it here, pick this one, place here. So the starting point, the starting height of this profile will be exactly the same as this one, so we don't need to change this one. But for this one we need to increase the height. I think yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe we can just work out the height difference between this one, and then just add that. So maybe let's try that one. So I think I will just move this one to here. Okay, and select this one. Oops, something's not right. Maybe I'll just Control Z. I'll just move it closer to this one. Select this one, and also it's hidden. Oh, it's here. So sorry, and select and type HI. I want to work out the height difference, so I just go to elevation, not elevation, but vertical view, elevation 3D view, And I'll just use copy. Pretend I'm going to copy and type a shift. So 2340. Okay, so now I know that I type HR. So I probably just need to move this one up, MV up by 2340. Okay, and then so let's just select this profile together with this one, so the one we just moved up, and also this profile. So make sure, so see, if you do not use tab, it will select the whole thing. Okay, so tab select only half of the circle, so create a form so that we can you might say, oh, it's not matching because we need to move the point to the end, right? So in the same, this one move to the end. Now you will see that's it. And also I'll just hide HH, this adaptive family, so you can see these two. Oh, where is it? Oh, yeah, something's not right. Control Z. So sorry, I selected the wrong one. So I need to hide this one. This is adaptive family, so you can see the number, right? So HH. Now we have these two blend style form. So with there are two reference lines, so we can HH just temporarily hide them. So now if we do it properly, I think if we can join, looks like we have some issue. So which means there's probably very slight it's a slope is slightly not matching, I think. Yeah, because when I first test this method, so I can join them and then it matched perfectly. But this one, probably because we used the method, we just move this one up, and it's not accurate. But I think it's still okay, still close enough. It's quite nice, I think. Alright, so. And yeah, I think this is it. So what if we need another one there? Yeah, we don't need any more path, because we can just use these two. We just need more profiles. So let me just try. I think we have this one, right? So I'm not sure which, because we have 2 points here, so this can be a little bit tricky. So I'll try. Okay, so I'll try maybe select these two CC, and then I'll move the points, see if, so looks like we picked the wrong one, because if we pick the correct one, this profile will follow this point. So now I know that I need to tap once. So select this one, move cursor onto this, tap once, control select CC. Now again, see? So this means these profiles being placed is based onto this point. Okay, so now we can just, let's try. So what I'm going to do is I'll move this one up by 2340, and then we come here, and then yeah, let's do that. Equal 2340 times 2 times 2. That's that. And then another one will be another 2340, and then just pick new host onto this, and pick new host onto this. Okay, so I know it's not a very clever method, but as long as it works, right? So, and then drag this on to the end, and then we have another one here, right? Oh, what's this one? Oh, sorry, hidden HR. Yeah. So yeah, so this is it. So I think I'll probably just stop here. So I'll just bring back more my adaptive families here. So this is the adaptive family method. So we can add a angular parameter to rotate the railing profile, one of the railing profile. Another method is we can also model in place, use the blend style, form. So using half circle profile and another profile to create one segment of this railing, right? So and then create another one. So yeah, so this is it. I can upload this one so you can have a play. If you are familiar with all the adaptive family, so I think have a try, because I'm not really sure. I did try to use profile with always vertical, and I had some issue create this one at all. But if we can create an adaptive family with always vertical profiles, and it can work on this stairs, it would be the best option, I believe. Right, so okay, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you.